Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC Rivers State Office don't come out to show say for Rivers State, the commission gets about 953 abandoned projects scattered around the state. The state representative in commission, Tony Okocha, yarned this one for one talk session with traditional rulers to chook eye on the reason why the projects they are abandoned and uncompleted. Tony Okocha can talk say Rivers State na the second state wey get NDDC abandoned projects and say the current NDDC board go open the eyes of the public to make them understand the interventionist agency by changing the narrative. A constituent talk say he believes say some of the reasons why the projects they are abandoned na the inconsistency of government and non-payment of contractors.
We are here to serve you. Working on this board, work in progress. So sitting in the board, it was a decision of the board that we will lead a different example. And this our visit today is an indicator that we are actually out to change the narrative. We personally made a request to meet with you. It means that we have started the process of a change, which of course also conforms with Mr. President's individual agenda. In my study, it was clear to me, and in black and white, that Rivers State is number 2 in terms of the states that have more abandoned projects. Rivers State has 953 abandoned projects of NDDC. And these projects are dotted around and across the nooks and crannies of the state. My investigation again showed 2 things or 3. The first is that some of these projects were abandoned because of the fleeting nature of NDDC board.
Executive Director for Finance and Administration NDDC, Boma Iyaye, and Chemo Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council owner Sergeant Awuse, for their part, talk say
Rivers State is one of the major states and producers of the revenue that we share in this country. If you put the other states together, the entire Niger Delta region produces about 80 to 90% of the entire revenue that is accruable to our entire country. And so the region is very important. Nobody will toy with it, and no government or administration will toy with the Niger Delta region. And that is why you can see that the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, took it very important and necessary to immediately appoint the new board for the NDDC.
We have had both of them tell us exactly the position of the body now. The area that interests me most is the area where we have grown from just about 300 billion to over 323 billion. That part, it thrills me, makes me very happy. It means that the projects will be more and more abundant to the thing of the past. It means that we are looking for a big game now with good rest there for us.
Make we not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.